Hi everyone. Today I have focused on developing the logic behind uploading this document and processing it through our ingestion pipeline and making it available for querying. So using this upload feature, I have uploaded a document related to this scheme, which is pretty similar. Like we have multiple documents related to this scheme, and here is the run behind this upload feature working. So how I am like approaching this thing. So basically what we are doing when we upload any document from here. So we have like attached a endpoint with it. What this endpoint is doing at all behind the scenes. So this endpoint is receiving our document which we are uploading and then finding our directory documents which we are using before also for fetching documents. So, and then saving this document into our documents directory, and then it is running our main.py as its subprocess. Uh, so, using this subprocess featured offered to us by Python for running external processes. So, we are using this and then we are running main.py as a subprocess and then running everything through that pipeline and how it is working. That subprocess is then looking for the documents. So it will see that we have two documents related to this scheme. So it will pick up the newer document which we got because we have a slight difference in the naming convention of these two documents. So after that, it will run through the main pipeline, and in the end, we can see that we have got an sixth document here. So we have now two documents related to this scheme, as we can see, and we have a slight different in output as well. So by this, we can verify. So the one of the document related to this scheme I have ingested through our this feature upload document. And here we are not getting like different uh, bar for selecting it because both of the documents are related to one scheme, follows a similar pattern in both the PDFs because both the PDFs are regarding one scheme. So how our program or is handling it? So like it is clubbing both the documents related to this scheme with a single scheme. So that's how we are tackling it. And behind the scenes, since I have already told that we are just saving the documents in the document directory, which we are receiving from the front end, and then running the main process behind the scene as a sub process. And that's how I am tackling this issue. Before I have tried multiple ways of doing it, different libraries. Like I tried to do it first with an watching algorithm. So how that approach I am thinking will work. So I am just like attaching a watching algorithm which will keep a watch on the document folder and its content, and also it will keep a watch on text output. Basically, this approach is followed in like JavaScript web programs during asynchronous operation. So by that approach, I am like trying to do it, but then I'm facing multiple issues. So I try then decided to go with a simpler approach. So that's how I landed out here with this. And then I tested it and it works fine for our software right now. And I do not find any challenges like with different PDFs. So it's working fine now, and how it is doing behind the scenes. So we can see that we have received a file with this name, and then we have saved it to documents. And in the documents, we have saved this file. Then what we are doing, we are triggering document processing via sub process. So actually we are running main.py here. So in the next line we can see that we can document processing via main.py sub process completed successfully. So this is the confirmation that we able to process and like save the document, and then ping test is okay, and then we got the output path for conversion is this, and then outputting it in here, and we can see the file was PDF. It is auto detected by it. Then we can see how we tackled it here. We can see the content is we are fetching everything here. So that's how like I find a way of doing it without introducing so much dependencies to our program. And that's whole like how we are processing this PDF since it is a large PDF. So so here we can see that found to relevant chunk after cleaning, final rag prompt constructed, and we are using Gemini for LLM generation. Successfully saved JSON to home Kaushik rag project, and then text output JSON for this one, and pushing document into uh, this th- this directory. Then we have found the document ID, and then we have updated it. And then at the end, we can see document with this document ID found and updated. So here what we are doing, so basically uh, how it's working here. So if we have a scheme, a related document with in our database, which is related to that scheme, and that document is released by the government in 2023, let's suppose, and then the government again release uh, another document related to that scheme in 2024. Then if we upload that document, our program will automatically update it with the latest data. That's how it is working right now. But if we want that both the document remains at same time, and we like can query both the documents in our like software, then I can also do that. But right now, how I'm handling it, if we got any updated document, then uh, we are like extracting its text output and JSON output. But in the MongoDB database, how we are just updating if we got a newer document related to the similar scheme. So that's how we are doing it right now because we are using a same document ID for both the documents since it's the same scheme. And the document ID or document name ID generations remain the same in both the cases. So I am able to do that and made some changes in the front end as well. So for this specific, I have added a like this upload document endpoint in our API, and also need to update some path related things because now we are not running this pro, like project in RAG project. Instead, we are running this project in this API folder. So we need to go back 2 or 3 folders, and that's how we are extracting path right now. Need to change some path extracting logic here also, and in the end also. So, and need to make a little bit changes in query as well. So in query, also we are facing that issues related to the path, and I have tackled both of the things, and just some like issues in the front end as well related to this upload feature. We are initially not able to like directly select and upload this document, and it is not taking it to the endpoint, which is facing some integration issues. But now it is working fine. And after that, I have focused on this multi-agent portfolio collaboration with OpenAI Agent SDK. So I have gone through. everything, how it is working, and got to see how everything is working here. So basically, we can use our agent as tools. And here we have an example how we can build a robust financial assessment uh, system. Or so we can combine or club different type of LLM here, where one agent will be the like orchestra type of thing, which will handle all the agents and assign the task to everyone according to the capabilities that those LLM have. And that's how we are processing it now and able to get like uh, overview how we can build it. And I think I will be able to do it if we are assigned with any specific use case of it, realized how we can set up it, and I will see how if I need to set up it in my local system. But uh, as of today, I think I am done with this RAG chatbot. And thank you so much. That's all for today.